So how to download and install PUBG Korean version or KR version irrespective of your location or country, irrespective of whether it is banned or not in your location. So first of all, you will find a link in the description. Just click that link and you will encounter such a page. Just click I am not a robot. The captcha will be successfully passed and click here to continue. Once the new tab opens, just close the tab. And again press click here to continue. Again do the same thing, close the tab, new tab. Do the same thing 3 to 4 times until you are redirected to a new page like this. Just scroll down and wait until the timer starts. You can see the timer has started and the link will be almost ready. Click get link. Close the tab, new tab. Again click get link. Again do the same thing, close the new tab and again click get link. On the third time you will be redirected to Google Play. Just click open in Play Store app and you will be redirected to Play Store, from where you can download and install PUBG Korean version. Just click install. You can see it is the official PUBG Mobile KR version. Just click install and over any network select it. You can see it has started downloading. Size is up to 1.89 GB. It will take some time to download. I hope you have found the method of how to install and play PUBG Mobile Korean version irrespective of your location. Thank you, subscribe the channel and support me.